Names are important, not just to identify us, but also they bring up parts of our imagination.
Hi, I'm Pat Branson, the mayor of the city of Kodiak, and welcome back to our lovely island.
This year, Skoda asked to propose a new name for their latest car. It'll be hard to beat the Kodiak, but if anyone can, Kodiakans can.
1, 2, 3.
What?
Very nice.
It almost looks like
that.
Oh, yeah.
Good-looking rig.
And it's silver like a king salmon, right?
It looks like the Grizz.
looks like a wing.
Maybe you could have a weather name.
You're trying to find a name for it? I don't know.
Ice bug.
The flame. Rakiach.
Yeah, I don't speak Spanish, bro.
The Alutiiq word for car is KAROQ.
Oh, yeah.
The Inuit people would call it rook because of the arrow.
How about if we combine to an KAROQ
For this name?
for this car?
And call it a KAROQ?
Yeah.
Nice.
That sounds really nice.
This is Pat Branson, the mayor of the city of Kodiak. Hello, everyone.
So we have a lot of great name suggestions, and I'm going to call Skoda's marketing
Department and see what they think of them. Good morning from Kodiak, Alaska.
Hello from Prague.
So we sent you a collection of suggested names.
And I'm wondering if you had time to review them.
Yes, we have one favorite. Absolutely. Number one is KAROQ, the brother of the Kodiak.
Car rock, you know, you're rocking out. Car rock.
Car and rock, and Kodiak being the rock, which we live on.
Hey, Kodiak, we need some help. We got some friends who are back in town. The mayor's walking all around. We're talking names is the thing that we gotta put down. We got our friends from Skoda back here. Been too long, it's been over a year. We got a name that we gotta find.
Hello and goodbye.